Hello and welcome to another lecture of Law of the Sea. I am Muhammad Tahmidul Islam, lecturer, Department of Law, World University of Bangladesh, and today we are going to talk about the International Seabed Authority. Introduction. The International Seabed Authority, or ISA, is an international organization established in 1994 to regulate mining and related activities in the international seabed beyond national jurisdiction, an area that includes most of the world's oceans. The ISA came into existence upon the entry into force of the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS in short, which codified international law regarding territorial waters, sea lines, and ocean resources. The ISA is headquartered in Kingston, Jamaica. Made up of 167 member states and the European Union, the International Seabed Authority is mandated under the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea to organize, regulate, and control all mineral-related activities in the international seabed area for the benefit of mankind as a whole. So here we are seeing the logo of ISA, or the International Seabed Authority. The supreme authority of the ISA is the Assembly, in which all ISA members are represented. The Assembly sets general policies, establishes budgets, and elects a 36-member council which serves as the ISA's executive authority. The council approves contracts with private corporations and government entities for exploration and mining in specified areas of the international seabed, oversees implementation of the seabed provisions of the Convention on the Law of the Sea, and establishes provisional rules and procedures, subject to approval by the Assembly, by which the ISA exercises its regulatory authority. The Secretary General of the ISA is nominated by the Council and is elected by the Assembly to a 4-year term. The ISA's annual plenary sessions, which usually last 2 weeks, are held in Kingston, Jamaica. In 2006, the ISA established the Endowment Fund to support collaborative marine scientific research on the international seabed area, to assist and encourage scientists from developing countries to contribute to world marine studies. In 2008, additional efforts were made to recruit new members to improve multinational cooperation and to raise funds. So now let's talk about the involvement of Bangladesh in ISA. Bangladesh has been actively participating in ISA as a member state as well as a member of Council. Bangladesh has been a Council member for consecutive 3 4-year terms, 2009 to 2012, 2013 to 2016, and 2017 to 2020. In October 2020, Secretary of the Maritime Affairs Unit at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Rear Admiral Retired MD Khurshid Alam, has been elected as the President of the 26th session of the International Seabed Authority, or ISA, which is a proud moment for us as Bangladeshis, because Bangladesh has been an active participant in the International Seabed Authority, and this organization is really important one because this one is empowered to make rules and regulations and to regulate all the mining activities in the international sea area, which is beyond the control of any other country. So which actually covers most of the seabed. So that is why we have to focus on this organization more, and we have to learn about this organization even more, because a lot of sea related cases are going to be involving this organization in the future, because the technology is growing and the capacity to perform deep sea mining and to extract natural resources from the deep sea area is growing, and the countries are going to rush for it. And then the International Seabed Authority will have a lot of things to decide on. So therefore we have to learn more about it from now on to develop our career in the future. So I hope you have understood the lecture content today, and if you face any difficulty in understanding the lecture, you are free to ask any question in the comment section. I will answer accordingly. Thank you so much for participating, and I hope to see you all in the next lecture. Thank you.